Hello loves, I have another product review you're going to just love. If you're interested, stay tuned. Personal Planner. A company based in Sweden asked if I can do a review on their planner. Now most of you know from my previous Plan With Me's, I like flexibility, so I like to create my own custom pages. Personal Planner is different. Here is how. So before I start showing you my planner, let me take a few minutes to show you their wide range of customization. The first thing I noticed when ordering my planner was the easy to use website they have, the various ways you can customize your planner. There are several tabs at the top of the screen. This first one is the size. They have several sizes here ranging from mini to the big A4. The next tab is the cover. Many covers to choose from. You have the front cover and then the back cover. The next tab is the Inlay Design. Here you can really design and style how you want your planner to look. There is a week on 2 pages and a month and the year. Down at the bottom, here's where you can have options of how you want your planner to look. The writing space can either be horizontal or vertical. It can have ruled in the calendar or ruled at the bottom page. There is also a timetable that you can have on each of your days. I'm not going to show the whole process, but there are 7 tabs that will take you through the design process to create a planner for your lifestyle. When you remove the planner from its packaging, there are a few surprises on top. We have a black band, I'm guessing, that needs to be installed to keep the planner closed. An advertisement card from Spotify for a subscription. And some stickers, about a month worth. Let's see, we have some weekend banners, check boxes, we have some speech bubbles, some motivational stickers here. These little round stickers have different sayings on them. Flags and symbol stickers. And lastly, birthday banners with and without the birthday. Next, there is a sturdy plastic cover to protect the planner. Very durable and nice quality. They also give you a plastic pocket that opens at the top. You can keep your planner stickers in here, what other planner supplies that you may have. It also has some holes on the side that you can insert inside your planner. Lastly, we have a plastic ruler that comes in various colors. Okay, so let's get started with this planner. I love this cover. I am not going to go through all the options that they give you to design your own planner. It would take half this video, and it's such a wide range of choices, but right down here in this screen you will see some of the options as we going through the website, and you can see what they offer. But you can always go to their website to get close and personal and see what you want to choose and see their options. It's a great website and very easy to use and choose your planner. But what I will explain is this cover right here. You can put all kinds of things on your cover, your family photos, your kids photos, your pet photos, whatever you like. And they have so many different kinds of designs for backgrounds and things of that nature. But I chose this graphic illustration that was done by, I forget her, I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly, Katarina, I think it is. She's a graphic designer who designed 6 females for this planner, and I chose this beautiful female here, and I chose my name and the year. Now you can start your planner however you want to start it in the year. I decided to start it at traditional January to December. So the cover itself is pretty sturdy. It's a laminate kind of covering on a strong cardboard or some kind of cardstock. Very good quality. So I like the strength in it. It doesn't tear easily. And then you come to the first page. You can design your first page, whatever quote or whatever you want here. I decided to put Bree's Planner here, and a nice little quote that I love, keeps a smile on my face. And it says, "Lord, give me tea to change the thing I can change, and wine to accept the things I can't." I think that is so funny, so I really like that saying. So as we open up to the first month, which is January, I wanted to start in January, but at the end of the month, you would notice that it is in the horizontal style. They have the horizontal and the vertical. Right here at the top is a beautiful banner that I chose. They have many to choose from, and I wanted something that almost matches the cover. There is the month, which is January here, the year 2018, and on this side is the week number that will be shown here. Closer to the rings on this side, you have choices: the weather, work schedule, or school schedule. I decided on the weather, and it's on the outside page here. Down at the bottom is the different modules choice that I selected. The first module is the to-do this week list. The next is list of the week. On this side is idea of the week. And then lastly is the notes. This section here is the month in view. I don't think you can change that. That always stays there. Now these dailies that's closer to the ring, those three choices you can have here. You don't have to just select one. You can select all three, or you can select just two, but I decided just to have one. So the next month, yes, should be February. And I noticed that it's pink. So February is pink for you pink ladies out there. So the February is in like a tab design here. And then at the top where the days of the week are in pink, the Monday column has pink circles, which represents the week number. So this is week 5, 6, 7, and so on. Then there's some gray areas here that indicate the end of January and the beginning of the next month, which would be March. There are some national holidays here and some international holidays I noticed here. And then you have some lined paper right at the end here where you can write your little notes or what have you. Now also I forgot to mention that on the week, it is also ruled. You can have these in different colors if you like. I think they had a choice of 5 colors, but you can have it ruled or unruled, and that's even at the top and then at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here and show you each month, but I'm going to speed it up so it won't take that long. One thing I noticed about Personal Planner is the colors. They're very vibrant. They not only show the American holidays and the international holidays, there are also characters to represent those holidays. For example, Mother's Day would have a box of candy, Father's Day a tie, Christmas would have a Christmas tree, and it goes on. There is so much detail when they created this planner. So I also want to mention that the quality of the paper is very nice. But I'm wondering if I write on here, will it bleed through? So we're going to try writing on some of these pages just to see if we have some bleed through. Okay, so I'm at the back of the planner right before the last 18 pages starts, and I will show you that later just to see if I'm going to use these Staedtler's pens in different colors just to see if I have any bleed through. I also have this friction pen just to see how the paper holds up if I write on it. So we're going to take the friction pen first, and we are going to write on this side. This is the page, I guess, that you tear out to let you know when you need to order again. So I'm going to write here. And then I'm going to erase it just to see how it holds up a ghost-like image in the back from where the writing was, but it's not completely gone. There is no rough abrasion like the paper is being erased away or something like that. So that works out well. It's just that it doesn't erase all the way off for the friction pen. And I'm looking back in the back. So if I write again on the back page, it doesn't come through. So I don't see anything here that it comes through. So we're going to use my Staedtler pen and we're going to write my initials and in different colors here. So that was blue and black. And we're gonna see that it comes through. It writes smoothly though. I like the paper is nice. So it's nothing coming on the back of it. There is no bleed through. So that's good quality paper. Okay, that's the end of January into the first week of February, I believe. And we start our last 18 pages in the planner. These pages I chose how I wanted to look. They have different options there that you can select and how you want your last 18 pages to have. I wanted the overview of 2019 for the first few pages. We have January to June, which is the first 6 months, from the first to the end of the month. And it has Sundays in red. We also have the holidays listed here. So this is great. I can plan out my whole year for all of my appointments, my annual things I need to do, my social events. I can plan those out. All kinds of things I can put in this year overview. So the next page should be this last part of the 6 months. And it shows the same way. And then we get into some line paper that I like to keep notes on that I will use. And then we have a few pages of that. And then it should be graph paper next. Yeah, we have the graph paper where I can draw and plan out certain remodels or upgrades or what have you. And then I think that should be it. Yep, that is it. We come to the end of the planner, which is the name of that illustration here, which is called Grace and Power. Each of them have their own name. And then we have the cover where we need to install our band. The band enclosure comes in several different colors. The elastic fits all sizes of the planner. They come in black, gold, light blue, mint green, gray, pink. I might have missed a few, but that's a lot to choose from that would match your planner. And we're putting in here, it's pretty tight, so the hose is gonna hold this. It's not gonna slip out. And then we're going to put in our little goodies that we have. So we have our 1-year subscription to win a Spotify. So they want you to go to Instagram and enter #ItPrettyPersonal and @PersonalPlanner, and 5 lucky winners will be drawn. That's nice to put that in there so I won't forget that. And I don't think these pages will fit in here, so we're just going to slide that in the back. And we're going to install this on here. Now, one thing I can say, I don't particularly care for the spiral. I like the disc bound because you can take out pages and add pages at will. The spiral is like a permanent kind of thing, like flexibility. I installed my ruler here. And we just use the band and put it on there. Personal Planner has a lot more accessories available on their website to customize. There are wall planners, notebooks, leather covers, pins, etc. If you're interested in purchasing one or more of their beautiful planners, the size I have is an A5 Classic. There are 5 other sizes to choose from at different price points. If you're interested in purchasing one of their beautiful planners or any of the other items they have on their website, Personal Planner will give a 15% off the purchase price. Just use the discount code 1-Breeze-Book when ordering. This discount is valid until March 17th, 2018 Eastern Standard Time. Now I have a surprise, a giveaway to the lucky winner. The winner could receive a gift card for any size planner, no matter where you are located. Personal Planner will send you a gift card straight to the winner via email. So here are the requirements to participate in the giveaway. You must follow me on Breeze Project Group on Facebook, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Instagram. You must also follow Personal Planner on Instagram at Personal Planner or like them on Facebook. The links will be below in the description box. Here is how you enter the giveaway. Go to my Instagram, you will see a picture of my planner. In the comments, say, "I want a planner." I will randomly choose the winner and announce the winner on Instagram on March 20th, 2018. The lucky winner will provide me with their email address and I will forward that to Personal Planner. So don't get discouraged if you're not the winner. Still have that discount code for 15% off of your purchase price on their website. The giveaway and the discount code will expire March 17th, 2018 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good luck to all of you, and I'll see you on the next video. Smooches!